The Nokia 7 Plus has appeared in the news more times since their first reveal, and today we get to see the first official renders of the devices, thanks to Evan Bless. The Nokia 7 Plus is familiar, as it has appeared in a few leaked photos before, but this new leak is much more different, as it reveals a key info. This new render reveals, the Nokia 7 Plus will be an Android One device. The Nokia 7 Plus is shown in white, with orange accents around the dual Carl Zeiss lenses, the fingerprint scanner, and the display. The Nokia logo and the physical buttons are also orange. We also get a closer look at the 18:9 display of the phone. As you can see, the corners are rounded. Nokia 7 Plus comes with a 6-inch Full HD Plus display. The bezels are still there, but the lower one is slightly smaller than that of the Nokia 7. There are no buttons on the front, so on-screen buttons are the way to go. The Nokia 7 Plus sports dual rear cameras, 12MP plus 13MP, with Zeiss lenses, and 2x zoom and dual pixel technology. The cameras are also raised. The front camera is a 16MP, f2.0 sensor with beauty mode. There is also slow motion, and Nokia's signature gothy for taking pictures. Although MWC 2018 officially begins on the 26th of February, manufacturers already start announcing their phones during the weekend. So you shouldn't be surprised that the Nokia 7 Plus is launching on a Sunday. Plus, this is not HMD Global's first launch on a weekend. The first-gen Nokia 6 was also announced on a Sunday too.